What is up, everyone? Welcome back to today's video. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a little bit of PPF on the Taycan. I've already done PPF on the full front end of this, mainly for rock chest, but I'm trying to partner and collab with a company called Invisiible Mask. So we got, just for trial purpose, we got their 3M Ultra Armor Wrap, which is by 3M, and it's gonna be for the side pieces of the car. Basically, on the rear quarter panel, where a bunch of the wheels, dirt, rocks, all that stuff gets kicked up to. So I'm gonna show you guys on how to do that process and kind of leave a little bit of a review, see what the quality of all that stuff is. So let's get to it. So of course you wanna have the car cleaned up. We have a slip solution, a tack solution, and alcohol water. Alcohol water is kind of wiped down the area after it's been cleaned. Again, I went ahead and polished the paint, the area that we're gonna be doing. It's gonna be this area right over here. Basically, as you're driving, all the dirt and rocks that get kicked up to this panel. Eventually, I will have the full car PPF, but as of right now, we're just gonna be doing this section, which I have right here. So if you want to learn how to do paint correction and stuff like that, comment below. There's also a bunch of detail shops that can do it for you. But if you want to learn how to do it, I can create a video and do that for you. Another thing is I'll create another video on how to create a slip solution, a tack solution, and just alcohol water, just so you know what the percentage of all that stuff is. Then, this is a pre-cut PPF. What I did on the full front end is just bought a full roll and just did it that way and freehand cut. And then, but this one is full pre-cut PPF. So that's where we're gonna be trying them out. That way we can hopefully do a collab partnership with them, and that way we can kind of get some cool content for y'all as well. And that way we can do it to the rest of the fleet and other cars and all that stuff. So let's put it on. One thing is you also want to make sure you have a clean working environment as well. So again, make sure your garage is cleaned up, the car's cleaned, of course, no dirt, debris, because the last thing you want is to put PPF and then you cannot put it back. We can't reuse it. All right, just so we have our slip solution, tack solution, and alcohol water. After the car's been cleaned, clayed, polished, whatever, you just kind of want to take off any last minute contaminants with alcohol and water. And then the tack solution is mainly if you can't get the corner to stick, you spray a little bit of tack solution. That way you just squeeze it out, that way it will stick. Slip will be baby shampoo and water. But again, for all these waters, we're not using regular tap water, we're using distilled water. So I'm just gonna put you guys on the tripod. We have our two squeezies as well. You can use whichever. These are the ones I have. So right now, it's just gonna be this area right here. So we're just gonna wipe it down with alcohol water. The main purpose of PPF is just for rock chips and just kind of protect the paint. I mean, we put screen protectors on our phones, so why not just to protect a $1,000 investment? So you have an expensive car like this, why don't you go ahead and protect that investment? All right, so now we have that done. So now we have the Armor Wrap by Invisiible Mask. The crazy part is that why I wanted to work with them is there's not really that many videos or reviews on this product or stuff like that. So I wanted to go ahead and kind of try it out with them. So we have these two panels, I'm trying to figure out which one's which. That'll be right here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and spray my slip solution onto this area. We're gonna line it up, and then that way I'll peel this off here and spray some of that slip solution. That way I can kind of line it up. All right. You wanna have a good amount of slip. And then as I peel this back, I wanna go ahead and just kind of get that going, put this to the side. So I have here, go ahead and put some slip onto that. We will line this baby up of where we want it. So it's usually just lined up right here with the bottom. You want to take out any of these air bubbles as well. So I want to get this nice and lined up. towards the bottom. Once you're happy with where the bottom placement is, I'm just lining it up with this curve. All right. We're going to grab the squeegee. Want to make sure we're good over here. This line. It's good at the bottom. So now you'll just take your squeegee, spray a little bit of slip onto this, kind of tack down this corner, just like that. And then you're just gonna squeegee all this water out. Just like that. You want to go a little bit with pressure, mainly because you don't want any pockets of air in it. So with pre-cut, it's very easier to do versus actual whole roll, mainly because you have to trim it, cut it precisely. Eventually I'm gonna remove this and do the full door, but like as of right now, I've been doing a lot of road trips. I don't have time as of right now. So I also have another squeegee as well. You can use whichever one you want. And then whichever you have a little bit more angle with. So I'm gonna go like, get all this water out. Just like that. So it's nice, clean, lined up. Same thing on the bottom. Nice part about this, like doing PPF, is like, yes, it protects the paint, but also you can, with the soap and water, you can kind of align it to get it exactly right. And then last, we just have our quick detailer spray. We're just gonna wipe off all this area, just so we have nice, clean, dry area. And that's it. That's all it takes with PPF. And now your thing's protected. So just like that, you're good to go. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. All right, so my overall opinion on the Ultra Armor PPF wrap by Invisiible Mask, the pre-cut. It's very easy. It's actually very nice, very easy, good quality, pretty thick, easy to apply, and like it's hydrophobic too, so that way all the water just kind of be dried off. So which is really nice. I know this video is very simple, very short, but that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Smash the subscribe button, like the videos. If you guys want to see the other fleet, other cars get PPF wraps or whatever done, comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see. And remember guys, live your dreams.